Hello guys, this is Danbo. Today I want to show you how to use this, the pocket operator from the Teenage Engineer, as a metronome to help you perform the real-time recording with the Arturia Keystep. Just a little bit background. So last year I could record a video to show you how to perform the real-time recording with the keysteps. And in that video I used the external speaker as a metronome to directly output the sync out signal to the speaker. And one YouTuber, Robert, actually reminded us that the sync out signal might be too hot to be used as a direct audio to your external speaker or headset. So it might not be wise to use your very expensive speaker or headset using that method. So which makes me wonder, what's the alternative? What else can we use as a metronome? So another cool guy, Steven, on YouTube told me that you actually can use the pocket operator as a perfect gear as the metronome, because it can receive the sync out signal perfectly, and also it has a built-in speaker, so it's very easy to use any pocket operator to be the metronome. So in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can use any pocket operator as the metronome to help you record using the key steps. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to go to the MIDI control center when the key step is connected to your computer. So just go through 3 of them that I think is important. The first thing is, under the sequence settings, you need to select one step gate for the sync clock in out settings. Second one, sync clock start, I use the on clock option. Lastly, next sequence, I choose instant reset. Make sure you select these 3 options as it shows in this video. That's it. So we can now disconnect the key step from the computer. Okay, let's first have a look at the setup. On the bottom here, we have the Arturia Keystep as the MIDI keyboard. We want to perform the real-time recording, use the built-in sequencer inside the key steps. Over here we have the beat squeezer, which is a sample player. I used that as a purely sound module in this demo. So I connect the key step through the MIDI out socket, connect a MIDI cable all the way to the MIDI in of the beat squeezer, so that I can play some note on the key steps. Those notes will be driven the beat squeezer so that it can make a sound. So in this demo I use a very simple piano sound here. Finally, we have over here the pocket operator from Teenage Engineering as a metronome. So that's the goal for this demo. In this case, I use Tonic, which is the PO32, but you can use any pocket operator to be the metronome to help record the sequencer inside the key steps. If we have a look at the back, I just mentioned that the MIDI cable connect the beat squeezer, and the sync out cable directly connect the into the pocket operator, right? Before we start, let's program a simple beat fall on the floor on the pocket operator, so it can be used as the a very simple metronome. So in order to do that, let's first disconnect the pocket operator from the cable. We need to find a proper sound to be used as the metronome. So we can hear it. Maybe sound 2 would be ideal to be used as a metronome, right? So what I did, I normally just hit the right button, so it will turn that into the step mode, and then I just simply click the 4 buttons on the left so that it can be if we play now, right? It's a very simple 4 on the floor to indicate as a metronome. Now let's connect the pocket operator. So now the sync out cable is connected into the on the left hand side here. And then what's important need to mention here is, let's firstly turn off the step mode. So I've tried a lot of the combinations, but one thing that really works is the so if we keep pressing this accent just under the red knob, and then press BPM, as you can see, once it says SY1 over here, right? So if I press twice, it indicates SY2. So SY2 is the only mode I found that would work with the Keystep. So with that, let's firstly click the right button again, so it goes into the step recording mode, and then let's hit play. This is very important. You need to hit the play on the pocket operator first. As you can see on here, it's indicated it's playing, right? But nothing happens because we use the Keystep sync clock to control the pocket operator. So the pocket operator needs the signal from the Keystep in order to start. So now go back to the Keystep. Let's choose an empty slot first, and then I make sure the time division is 16 notes, and then the rate is I'll just put it somewhere in here, and then I make sure the we are in the step mode. See this record button, and then we can see the 4 on the floor indicated down here, pocket operator, and then I click the play first. Notice that the play button is flashing. That's good. Now we put it here, and then first let's make sure the play button on the pocket operator is pressed, and then I hit the play button on the Keystep. As you can see now, the pocket operator has been sync the clock with the Keystep, so that it indicates the tempo of the Keystep. In order to show you that, if I increase the tempo on the Keystep, as you can hear, it's getting faster and faster. Slower, right? So now this pocket operator is purely acting as a metronome now. So let's record something with the help of this metronome. So firstly, let's make sure we are in the step mode and hit play. This is a good way to kind of reset the pocket operator to step 1. So it's ready. Now I gonna use the trick I created in order to quickly create for example a 64-bit 64 steps blank sequence quickly. So first I will hit the record button and then 1. That means we put it as a 1 step, and then quickly press shift clear the only remaining step, and then I press record button, and with the number 16 4 times, 1 2 3 4, now we have a blank 64 step sequence ready to be recorded. Now let's record. As you can see, we successfully record a 64-step sequence inside the key steps with the help of the pocket operator, right? Now we can even start to improvise, right?